Hi there. I will show you how to replace spark plugs in your car. This is a Mitsubishi 4-cylinders engine. Let's get started. First, we need to remove this coil cover by removing these 3 nuts with a wrench. Now, remove the coil cover. Disconnect the wire connector from the ignition coil by pushing on the lock tab and pulling on the connector. Remember to pull on the plastic connector, not the wires. Make sure to clean off any dirt or oil that have collected around the ignition coils. Use a wrench to remove the bolt holding the ignition coil. Now, pull the ignition coil up slightly to remove it. You can use spark plug socket or a wrench to remove these spark plugs, the size usually 5/8 inch, which is 16 mm socket. Here is the spark plug. Please note, spark plug that is too loose can overheat and damage the engine, and if you are over-tightening the spark plug, it can cause damage to the threads in the cylinder head. As we can see, the electrode on this old spark plug has worn out. Put the new spark plug into the socket, then screw it into the hole. Screw it in by hand so you do not cross-thread it. Repeat this procedure for the other 3 spark plugs. Now, install ignition coils into the holes and push the ignition coil down all the way. Install bolts to hold the ignition coils. Connect the wire connector to the ignition coil. Make sure it locks in place. Reinstall the coil cover. And tighten the 3 nuts. Starting the engine after the spark plug replacement is a good way to validate your work. If you find this video helpful, click the like button and check other videos on my channel.